All right, so this is this airbag repeat erase. I had the airbag light on right here. I just resetted it. Um, so if you do the quick release hub without the clock spring, this is what you're gonna do, right? Look down here. I did all this, two resistors for all that. I chopped it off from the clock spring because I needed something to go in there. And underneath, behind this is a mel-in, so this wouldn't work out. So I chopped it off, soldered it, not soldered it, but crimped it and everything. I'm about to heat shrink these so they don't contact each other and set some shit off while I'm driving. So what you do is you go down here. This connector will be right in there. If you can see, it'll be right there clipped in, or sometimes it'll be hanging if it's a used car. So yeah, this connector, I made up a wire for it. I made up what came with the NRG setup, so it could use a wire, paper clip, whatever, but you just put it in there while the key is off, and then right when the key turns on, like turn the key on the on position, you let it flash one time. When a flash comes off, when the flash comes off, you just pull it out real quick, and when it flashes on again, put it back in. Keep on doing it until it stops after you put it back in. Once you have it already in there and the flash stops or turns off completely, you resetted the whole system for the SRS on the driver's side, and you'd be good. So this is part 3 of doing the quick release and the delete, and applies on a 01 through 05 Honda Civic. And I guess after you're done, put it back into where it came from, or if you want, you can just leave it hanging. It don't make a difference. And also to access this, you had to drop this cover here, but there is another cover that covers all this. I haven't tried to put it back on. Well, that's it for the quick release series, and I'll have many more videos about working on this type of 01 through 05 Honda Civic, like customizing, adding new things and stuff like that.